Aldabracus gigantea, or the Aldabra giant tortoise. They are found in the wild in the Aldabra Island, one of the Seychelles, an island archipelago that lays northwest of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. The tortoise lives in habitats such as scrub, mangrove swamp, and coastal dunes. The largest concentration can be found in the grasslands called plantains. They can reach ages of more than 100 years. The giant tortoises were once found of the western Indian Ocean islands, as well as Madagascar. Many of the Indian Ocean species were thought to be driven to extinction by European sailors, and they were all seemingly extinct by 1840, with the exception of the Aldabra giant tortoise, of course. In fact, the Aldabra tortoise has been introduced to various parts of the Indian Ocean, including North Island in the Seychelles and Madagascar itself. The Aldabra tortoise carapace, or upper shell, has a small neck plate that is usually visible, which is a feature absent in other species of giant tortoises. They are dark gray to black in color with highly domed, thick carapace. They have long necks, which helps with food gathering. Their hind legs are cylindrical and columnar, like those of an elephant. Thick, often bony scales cover them. The toes are short and two-jointed. The head is relatively small, pointed, and covered by scales. The Aldabra are one of the world's largest land tortoises. Males are considerably larger than females and have longer, thicker tails. The male's carapace length can measure 1.22 meters or 4 feet, and they can weigh up to 250 kilograms or 550 pounds. The female's carapace can measure 91 centimeters or 3 feet and can weigh 159 kilograms or 350 pounds. Aldabras are one of the more social tortoise species. Males will fight with one another for breeding rights and territory. Males have a concave plastron or belly shell that aids in mating. Mating seasons extends from February to May. In courting, the males batter his shell against the female a dozen or more times. When mating, the male makes a deep trumpeting call. Females carry the eggs for about 10 weeks, after which period they are buried in the ground. Clutch size is 9 to 25 eggs that are about the size of a tennis ball. Typically, only 3 to 5 viable young are produced from each clutch. In density population, female Aldabras may only lay 4 to 5 eggs every few years, whereas in low-density populations, they may lay several clutches a year. Incubation is about 4 months. Females may nest twice in one season. The tortoise is the largest animal on the Aldabra Island atoll. It fills a similar role that the one occupied by elephants in Africa and Asia. Just like elephants, they are the main consumers of vegetation and will notably alter the habitat during their search for food. Tortoises have been known to knock over small trees and shrubs. Seeds pass through the tortoise's digestive tract. The Aldabra tortoise are able to go without food or water for long periods of time. They are grazers and browsers, feeding mainly on grasses and woody plants. However, they will eat meat when it is available, and possibly even eat the carcasses of dead tortoises. They may also eat feces. These tortoises will wallow in mud to protect themselves against mosquitoes. Giant tortoises will sleep on average of 18 hours in a 24-hour period, although this amount varies greatly among individuals. Aldabra tortoises are easily domesticated and can learn to identify their keepers in short time. Aldabra atoll tortoise is listed as vulnerable due to their small range